The Frog Prince of Moonlit Pond. Long ago, in a kingdom surrounded by silver forests, there lived a kind princess named Lily. She loved exploring nature more than attending royal parties. One evening, while walking beside Moonlit Pond, she found a small green frog sitting on a lily pad.
Hi, good evening. Would you be my friend?
Croaked the frog. Princess Lily knelt beside the pond and smiled warmly. Ha ha ha! Of course, everyone deserves a friend.
Most people hurry past me without even saying hello.
Then they're missing out, Lily replied. You seem quite interesting. The frog.
And you seem much kinder than most princesses I've heard about.
From that evening on, Lily visited the pond every day. One night, they sat beneath a sky filled with twinkling stars. Do you ever wish you could travel beyond the kingdom? Asked Lily.
Every day,
said the frog.
I'd love to see mountains that touch the clouds and oceans that sparkle beneath the moon.
Lily smiled. So would I. Maybe one day I'll explore the world. The frog looked thoughtfully at the stars.
I think you will. You're brave enough to follow your dreams.
Another evening, Lily arrived looking sad.
What's wrong?
Asked the frog. Everyone expects me to be perfect. Sometimes I feel like no one truly understands me. The frog listened carefully.
You don't have to be perfect.
Lily looked surprised. You really think so?
You only need to be yourself. I know so. The kindest people aren't perfect. They're simply kind.
Lily smiled. Thank you, my friend. The frog grinned.
And thank you for talking to a little frog every evening.
Weeks passed and their friendship grew stronger. One night, Lily asked, "What is your greatest wish?" The frog gazed across the shimmering pond.
My greatest wish is to be accepted for who I am.
Lily nodded. I understand. Everyone wants to belong somewhere. The frog looked at her gratefully.
That's why you're my best friend, Lily. You always understand.
And you're mine, Lily replied. The frog smiled.
No matter what happens, I hope you'll always remember that true friendship is one of the greatest treasures in the world.
I promise, said Lily. The moon reflected across the pond as the two friends sat quietly together, watching the stars sparkle overhead. Neither of them knew that a magical adventure was about to change their lives forever.